Hi there, Lisa Casey here. We're back in Google Forms, and this is how to send your Google form. So, once you've added your collaborators, once you've asked all your questions that you need to, obviously you're trying to gather responses. So, we have a couple different tools that will help you do so. Up here, we have this preview button, which allows you, before you send it out to anybody, to preview your form to make sure it looks good, to make sure that students can actually answer the questions you want them to answer, and that it looks the way you want it to. So this is what students would see if I were to send out this form. Again, we have it broken up into two different sections. And then when students are ready, they will click submit. So once you preview it, once you know that you're ready to send it, and once you've played with your settings for the presentation and for your quizzes, then we have this button here. We're going to click send. I almost always automatically collect respondents' email addresses from Bremerton. That helps me keep track in case they forget to put their name down. It keeps communicating with them about their scores really easy. So I almost always collect their email addresses. And then I will typically attach this link right to Google Classroom. So I can send in an email if I'm trying to ask my colleagues advice or send something to parents to gather their feedback. I might send an email. This link is how I usually send it to students. So I will copy and paste that right onto Google Classroom when the time has come. And over here, if you would want to embed it like on your website, you're able to copy and paste this as well. So 3 different options for sending the form. The easiest probably is through that link right here. And you can see, because I've taken this form, I answered it, we have a response already. So I can toggle between questions and responses. And when I'm ready to shut down my quiz, when I don't want to gather new responses, when I have all the data that I need, I can click this button here, which makes this form not active. So once I'm ready to shut it down, I get to close that off, and then people can no longer submit their forms. And that is how to send your Google form to make sure it's on or off, and then how to close it down when you are ready to. Stay tuned for one more video about what kind of data you can collect with Google Forms. But thank you very much for watching.